With the Amerock door and drawer installation template, drilling for knobs and pulls is now quick and easy. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use these templates so you can spend less time installing and more time enjoying your cabinet hardware. Welcome back to Woodworker Express. If this is your first time here, be sure to give that subscribe button a squeeze and tap the bell icon so you get notified when we have a new video. These templates are compatible with all Amerock knobs and pulls ranging from 3 inches up to 5 1/16 of an inch center to center. And by center to center, I mean from this hole to this hole of your decorative hardware is the center to center measurement. The Amerock door and drawer installation template allows for precise installation of your cabinet hardware. The multi-pack comes with both door and drawer templates and even a 3/16 inch drill bit. Now let me show you how it works. Step 1, open the package. All right, now here are the two templates. This template is going to be for your drawer fronts, and this template will be for your doors. And the drill bit will be for your screw gun. Ready to go. All right, let's start on the door. Now first we want to verify what our handle spread is, and it is going to be a 3 3/4 of an inch center to center measurement. And now I will find that on my template. Easy just to check it out like this and just eyeball it. That is perfect. That is the one. Now I just need to figure out the left to right measurement that I want to center it on my door. By doing this, I will take my tape measure and a pencil, really shiny one, and I will measure the style of my door from left to right and find the center right there. Now, taking the template and making sure all 2 sides are snug as a bug, I will make my marks in the appropriate holes and double check and make sure it will look good. Beautiful. Take my screw gun and drill the holes away. And now I'll take my screws that came with my hardware, screw it all together, get it all nice and snug, and voila. All right, now let me show you on the drawer front template. As you notice, the templates are clear, which will come in really handy. Let me show you. Now to center this on a drawer front, it's rather easy. You're going to take your tape measure and measure out the width of your drawer front. Ours just so happens to be 21 inches. I'm now going to divide that into 2, which is 10 1/2. Make my mark right here on top of my drawer front. Then I'm going to set my gauge, and I'll lift it so you can see it, and find the center of my gauge, which is a nice little indentation there, and it's clear and easy to line up. Now I'm all set. Now I know I'm lined up left and right, and then now these are the same thing, 3 3/4 inch center. So I know it's going to be these holes right here, and then measuring up and down, that is my centered area. We're going to make our marks there. Double check with our hardware, and yep, that's going to look great. Now proceed to drill. Now we're ready to drill. Simple as that. Insert the screws. Tighten them up with a screwdriver. And as simple as that, all done. Now the same goes with the template for the drawers and for the doors. You could also just do one single knob by just finding the center the same way and just using one of the center holes as you see there. Well, as always, thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Be more than happy to help you out and answer them as best as we can. Visit Woodworker Express.com for all of your woodworking needs. We'll see you next time. Well, that was fun. Here's a couple more videos. Let's learn some more.